If you sell finished cabinetry to dealers, homeowners, and contractors, then Allmoxy is the perfect solution to sell online and automate your office. E-commerce sales are expected to reach 4.2 trillion by the end of 2020. In the past, selling components online and scaling your office was difficult because of the complexity of offering custom products, difficult pricing formulas, multiple machines and software, far too many variables, no standardized catalogs, paperwork and data flow issues, or the design not being connected to pricing and manufacturers. Until people from our industry built software for it. Its birth inside of our industry makes it unique and effective. No matter how custom your products are, your customers will be able to self-serve, order online, and those orders generate everything you need automatically. Here's how it works. Your customers self-serve in a client portal using either the 3D designer or the order entry system. Your manufacturer's products live inside of your designer. Shipping, payment, and details are refined and automatically calculated. Scheduling, inventory, and paperwork is all generated automatically. Data is exported to the machines and other software. Allmoxy helps track production and updates statuses throughout the process. As the order progresses, Allmoxy updates all the intended parties. Your money is collected with automated systems and sent back to the bank. At sign-up, you'll choose from one of our templates that will push you thousands of hours ahead of starting from scratch. We'll assign someone who is the right fit to your account. Your account rep will be there to answer questions, recommend service providers, and make sure you're successful. The templates are a starting point, but there's still work to do to make it yours. If you don't have time to do it in-house, we've got you covered. Our service providers are efficient and well worth the cost. Turn on your sales channel, enjoy the growth while your clients become raving fans of your business.